Yo, what is going on, guys? Hope everybody's having a great day today. I'm going to be showing you guys a quick video on how to actually get Optifine for Minecraft, as you guys can see right here. 1.14. Now I do know that 1.15 is not out yet, but the Optifine for 1.14 will work because that's what version we're going to be running it on, and most of all the servers are running on 1.14 or 1.13 and higher, sorry. So you guys don't have to worry about the 1.15 or anything about that Optifine, so don't worry. 1.14 is all good because it's all supported with the servers, it's all up to date, so that's good. So I'm going to be showing you guys a quick way on how to get it. Really simple, guys, not too hard. But before you guys go ahead and come to the website, I will have it in the description for you guys to come and download the Optifine. Go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. If you guys haven't installed it yet, just quickly go on minecraft.net, go ahead and install the launcher and come over here. So once you guys are over here, go ahead and select the version you guys are playing. So it's going to automatically be on 1.15.2. Go ahead and go to installations, go to new, go ahead and name it if you guys want. Go ahead and go to version and select 1.14. Just do the latest one, 1.14.4. Go ahead and click that. Go ahead and press create. I already created one, guys, so I don't have to do it. Go to play and go ahead and press play. It will take some time for you guys because it has to download all the textures and all the required files for it. So once that is done and you guys are on that main screen of Minecraft to where you usually go ahead and play multiplayer, and you see all the options over there, go ahead and continue to the browser on your Chrome or whatever browser you guys are using. So go ahead and come to the Optifine website. Really simple. You guys can get the Optifine HD Ultra. Really doesn't matter. Just go ahead and get the latest one because you will be configuring your settings later on after you get it. So you guys will get the max performance. So I will be showing you guys how to install it and also tweak up some little settings if you guys have a lower PC. So I will help you guys out with that. Just let this load up and I will show you guys how to do it. So once you guys are actually on your Minecraft screen, this is just going to take a little second here. Go ahead and download the latest one. Press download. It's going to be coming up as a ad here, but go ahead and just wait for the seconds to count down. Skip it and it will bring you to a jar file. So that's what we want, a jar file right here. I already have it in my download, so I'm not going to go ahead and download that again. Go ahead and minimize your browser and go to your downloads. So let's just type in Optifine. Hopefully I still have it. So here it is, Optifine. It found it for me in the file explorer, and you want to go ahead and open it. So once you guys have Minecraft, you should close down your Minecraft just in case, guys. That's what I like to do. But go ahead and close it, and you guys can continue with the installation. So go ahead and go ahead and press install. There you go. I pressed it, and it will say installed. So I did click it. There we go. Successfully installed. It's done. You can close down your file explorer if you had it open. Go ahead and open your Minecraft launcher. And now you guys will be brought here. So go ahead and go back to installations. Go to new, and now you will see your Optifine HD_U_F5 or whichever one you got. Go ahead and click that. If you guys want the max performance and add some RAM to the game, because there's only 2 gigs of RAM, which is enough, but I always like to boost it up to at least 4 gigs of RAM because I have a lot of RAM in my PC. I have 12 gigs, so that's more than enough. But if you guys only have 8, just put this to 3 or 4. It really doesn't matter, just if you guys want that max performance. But I put mine at usually 4, so I already have that all set. Go ahead and press play, and let's go ahead and play. Let that load up. It will take a bit of time for you guys because it is the first installation of Optifine, so just give it some time and let it load up. So it shouldn't take too long. But once you guys have that done, I will show you guys a couple settings to tweak so your game can run at the max FPS. So let's just let it load up here. I do have a texture pack installed. I will give you some good recommendations for texture packs in another video. If you guys want, just comment down below if you guys want me to put out a texture pack video for max FPS and all that, PvP, whatever. Just comment down below if you guys want a video with that. So once you're at the home screen of Minecraft, go ahead and go to your options. Fix your forward if you want. I'm just going to turn off my music so you guys don't hear that. Go ahead and go to options. Video settings is where we want to go. And set your graphics to fast. Smooth lighting off. Smooth lighting level 100%. GUI scale, I usually like to put it as 3 so it looks like this. Brightness all the way bright. Dynamic lights off. Details, clouds off. Trees, leave them default. You can put them to fast or whatever. Sky on, sun and moon on. You like to see that. Fog off. That's really annoying, so I keep that off. Swamp colors on. Copy my settings that you guys want. Just pause the video and copy it if you guys want. After that, go ahead and press done. I usually like to keep my render distance at 10 to 12. Really doesn't matter. Max frames per second could be unlimited. Really doesn't matter. I like to keep it locked at 175. I don't know, it's just a thing I like. Use V-bobs off, so that's when you're walking and your guy has that little animation. I really don't care about it. It doesn't bother me, so I just keep it off. Dynamic forward on. Quality, as again, you guys can pause the video and copy my settings here if you guys want, but I usually just keep a couple things off, a couple things on. Really up to your preferences, guys. So go ahead and tweak around with it. Press done. Performance, smooth FPS. I like to keep it on or off. I keep it off just because sometimes when it's on, you do see those little lag spikes in servers, which is not really annoying, but you see it. So I usually like to keep it off. It is supposed to help out. It depends on your PC. It just depends on where you are in the game. Fast render off. Chunks, as again, just copy my settings if you guys want. Done. Other. I didn't really touch this, but you guys can show FPS if you guys want in game. Really doesn't matter. But that's it, guys. That's a little couple tweaks to play around with your settings just to get that max FPS in Minecraft if you guys are struggling with low-end PCs. So that is it for today. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment if you guys want more videos like this. That's it for today, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'm out. Peace. With